Hey Virgo, how y'all doing? This is Alma for Dungeon Tales Tarot, pulling a collective love reading for Virgo. Please take what resonates, leave off what does not. Anything that you need to know about me can be found in the description box and including my email address. If you would like a personal reading, feel free to reach out to me. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. But what's going on with the Virgo Collective? Please and thank you. What's going on with the Virgo Collective in love? We had Photograph. First was Kisses. And the Dragonfly. Kisses. Unconditional loving. Oh, you got something new going on. Virgo, you either you doing the wooing or somebody wooing you, Virgo. One or the other. Let's see. What's behind this Kisses for Virgo? What we got for the Virgo Collective behind Kisses? We have Desire. Oh, this is what you want. This is what you want, Virgo. Photograph, looking at your photos, missing you, nostalgia. What's going on behind this photograph for Virgo in love? Please and thank you. We have Chemistry. Chemistry. Oh, you want this. You want this. You got your eye on something. What's behind the Dragonfly for Virgo? We have Truth. Things coming to light. Be lighthearted. Finding out. Adapt. A change. Heal. It ain't whatever this is, it doesn't line up with your perfectionism, Virgo, but it's perfect for you. This is why you need to adapt, change, and heal. It's perfect for you. You got your ways. You got your ways. What's behind the Kisses and Desire? We got the Seven of Pentacles. Oh, you putting in work for this. You putting in work for this. The work that you putting in is opening up your heart. We got the King of Cups. And the Seven of Wands. Yep. That's what I'm getting. Whatever work, whatever steps you're taking towards whatever this is, Virgo, it's opening your heart. Whereas you might be trying to deal with whoever or whatever this person is logically, it's opening you up emotionally. As much as you don't want to be there, that's what it's doing. But it's necessary. It's necessary. What's behind the photograph? Looking at your photos, missing you, nostalgia, make new memories. The Ten of Swords. Whoever you're dealing with, they've been betrayed. They've been, either you or they've been betrayed, but they're willing to start anew here with this Fool. What else? They want to try it. The Emperor. Oh, they want to try it. And you want to, whoever this is, you want to big daddy this person too. But you might have to relax. You have to relax off of critiques because you're dealing with somebody who has the broken bird syndrome. This is whatever's going on in this connection with whoever you trying to deal with, because I'm getting that this is somebody that you're on board and this is somebody that's new. You have to take it easy on this person. You gotta take it easy on this person. What's behind the Dragonfly and Truth for Virgo? What we got for Virgo in love behind this Dragonfly and Truth? What the fuck was that? Got the Eight of Wands, the Six of Swords. What else? And the Seven of Swords. Okay, this person, I think you might be playing around with this person, not like trying to play this person, like just jokey joke, like and you come off to this person and like, yeah, well, I did this and I did that. Like, you might give them a little bit of something about your past. You're going to scare the fuck out of this person. You're going to scare this person. And in your mind, Virgo, it's like, but I didn't do it to you. But this person is just like, no, you just put a bunch of red flags on yourself because you didn't do it to me yet. But this is where it's time for you to grow. Like when keeping it real goes wrong. Like I said, Virgo, whoever you're dealing with, they hurt, and you can't play with them. You can't play with them. I'm getting, like, I really feel like, Virgo, you are tapped into a water sign or an air sign, right? But they not even in they not even in their own element right now. They may be dealing with you from like a out of their earth sign placement. They either dealing with you from their earth sign or their fire sign placement. So we all have cross signs. I think your cross sign is Pisces. So you might have to deal with whoever this person is in your Piscean energy. In order to adapt to this person in this situation. You know how they say, like, everybody ain't playing. Everybody's not playing. This can be something that's great, something that's beautiful. You just can't. Again, whenever you and this person come together, you would be an authoritarian over this person, whether you recognize it or not. You would be someone that this person looks up to, and you have to cherish it and you have to protect it. As much as you might not want to give them your emotion, you got to give that shit up, Virgo. Alright, who's Virgo dealing with? Who is Virgo dealing with? Please and thank you. Who is Virgo dealing with? In love. Pisces. Could have heavy sign placements in Pluto. We got 222. That's a card of change. You could be dealing with an Aries or somebody who's operating out of that energy. Someone could have Aries placements in Pluto. Who is this? Moon. This could be Cancerian. Neptune. Somebody's dealing out of these. Once again, like I said, whoever you're dealing with, they're not operating out of their genuine self. They operating out of a place of protecting themselves because they've been hurt like hell. You're dealing with someone, someone that's been ghosted, or you ghosted this person. You couldn't already know who this person is, or you could be currently ghosting them. H N K Z C K C B. See, here's twice. Alright, Virgo, that's what I got for you. Please take what resonates, leave off what does not. Again, anything you need to know about me can be found in the description box. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you for your attention and your cooperation, Virgo. And that's all I got to say about that.